Okay, good morning class. In fact, good evening class. So what I have done is today I have put in some of the questions. I didn't get time to actually put in the responses, means answers of all those questions. So what I'll do is I'll uh, I'll answer questions. I'll answer questions along with this, along with the along with you only. I'll solve the questions. So let us go ahead with the questions. This is mixtures and allegations class, and I've seen some of the people in questions section starting asking questions from question number 26. I think you're asking from Arun Sharma's book. So I have not gone to those questions, and so I have prepared my own questions. So those questions can be taken later. You can send out an email to me, then I can solve those questions and send it to you. So let's go ahead with the questions. Yeah, my email ID, if you have been a continuous student for my class, so you must have known this by now. So take it. So you can send out your questions to these. Okay, uh, let's go ahead. We have around 10-12 questions that I've prepared. So let's do first three questions and I'll give you around 5 minutes to solve these questions. So it's 8:04 right now. So 8:09 we'll be reviewing the questions. Um, so that's it. First three questions you have on your screen. So you can take a screenshot of it, and for your convenience I'm also pasting it in chat window. So okay, it's let's review at 8:10. Okay. Okay guys, it's 8 or 10, so 8:10, so we'll be reviewing the questions. Many of you have been giving quite right questions, quite right answers, so let's see. So what is the first question? First question is, how many kilograms of sugar costing 9 rupees per kg must be mixed with 27 kg of sugar costing rupees 7 per kg, so that there may be gain on 10% on the selling price of the mixture. If gain is 10%, that means cost price is what? Cost price is 9.24 divided by 1.1, that is 8.8, and this is equal to what? This is equal to 9x, let the kilogram be x, plus 27 into 7 divided by x plus 27. Now it's a simple equation, you can easily solve it. So you can go into a lot more methods and go ahead with solving this question, but I'll always suggest don't go with the formulas, because you can actually tend to forget the formulas. Always try basic approach, it will always work. So you solve this equation, see 8.8x, 8.4x, sorry, it is 8.4, not 8.8. So 8.4, 8.4x, it's 9x, so it is 0.6x, which is equal to what? It is 27 into 8.4, it is 27 into 7, so it is 27 into 1.4. So now you can easily solve x is equal to 63. Okay, I've seen it's 8.4. Okay, so hope you are clear with this. So we have an option 63. Yeah, we'll go ahead and mark option D. Is everybody is clear with this? Okay, a lot of people are getting it right. So Shashank has got it right. A lot of people are getting it right. So it's an easy question. So we'll go ahead with next question. Next is, in what ratio water must be mixed with milk to gain 16%? As soon as you see the word 16%, so you have only two options. 1:6 or 6:1, always. So you know about this, no? 1/16 how much it is, 1/12 how much it is. So if you have that calculation methodology in mind, so you'll always have this. So 16%, so 1:6, 6:1. These two can only be the options. So now it is written, in what ratio water must be mixed with milk. So water must be mixed with milk to gain 16%. If it is 16%, so water should be less. Obviously, if water is high, so it is not going to gain 16%, it is going to gain a lot. So only one option is there, 1:6. We can, no need to even solve this question. You can go ahead and mark this. Everybody is clear with this? Okay. So Dev Pratap has got it right. Veenal has got it right. So a lot of people are getting it right. So it's a sitter. You have to whenever you're in examination, always spot questions like this. Okay, moving ahead, question number 3. If anybody has any problem, you can ask. Okay, Siddhartha, I think I've pronounced your name right. Siddhartha. So 18%, 18%, then you need to solve this question. It's nothing. So then you need to solve the whole question. 16% you can say it's okay. If it is 12.45%, then go with 1 by 8. You know 1 by 8 is 12.5. So you can go ahead with those things. Okay. Okay. Let me explain second question once again. Suppose 100 was milk. Okay. Water is X. X is water. Now what is the selling price of it? 100 plus X. What is the cost price of it? 100. Now this has been given what? 1.16. Can't you solve X is equal to 16? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes, I'm having cold, Shashank. Okay. Moving on to question number 3. Hope everybody is clear now. Okay, guys. Let me move ahead to question number 3. Otherwise, we'll finish whole night with question number 2 only. So I was giving you the trick that in these type of questions, spot these questions and try to do it in within seconds, 30 seconds, 20 seconds. So that will actually give you a lot more time for other difficult questions to solve. Okay, moving on to question number 3. Type 1 rice 15 per kg, type 2 rice 20 per kg. If both type 1 and type 2 are mixed in the ratio 2:3, what is the price per kg? So 2 into type 1 plus 3 into type 2 upon 5. That should be answer. So what is the answer? 2 into 50 plus 3 into 20 divided by 5. Now you can solve these questions, it will come out to be 18. Now you'll say how fast we can do it easily. See, this is 2 plus 3, 5. This is 15, this is 20, both are multiples of 5. So it will be 3, it will be 4. Okay. Now do it. 2 into 3 plus 4 into 3. So it comes out to be 18. So easily you can get it. We have option 18. Yeah, option A, 18. We'll go ahead and mark this. Anybody has any problem with this question? Raise it right now. I'll get it sorted. No problem? Okay. Let me go ahead. Now I'll be a little more fast. Questions are not that tough, so I'll be fast. So question number 4, 5, 5 I have a solution also. Okay. 5 I had prepared a solution. So question number 4, 5 and 6. Okay, 4, 5 and 6. 8:22 is the time, so let's give you 7 minutes or say 8 minutes to solve this. 8:30 we'll review these questions. I've also pasted on chat window, so no need to actually go ahead and take a screenshot. I'll share these questions after the class with all of you, so it's not a problem. Okay guys, let's review the questions. Question number 4. A merchant has 1000 kg of sugar, part of which he sells at 8% and rest at 18% profit. He gains 14% on the whole. What is the quantity sold at 18% profit? C. 8% profit, 18% profit. Whole is 14% profit. So one thing's for sure, that 8% profit, the amount of sugar he sold is always less, and 18%, the amount of sugar he sold is more. So the quantity sold at 18% could be 560, 640 or 600. Okay, we are left with 3 options. Now we can actually solve the questions. So 1000 kg X he sold at 8%. So profit is 1.08 plus the rest he sold at 18%. So into 1.18, which is equal to, we have assumed that 1 rupee is per kg is the cost of sugar. So into 1.14. So easily you can solve. See, 0.1x is equal to 1180, 1140, so is 40. So x is 400, or 1000 minus x is what? 600. So we have option 600. Yes, option number C. We'll go ahead and mark option number C. Some of the people are asking that they have missed some of the classes. So almost all of the classes are being uploaded on the website. So no need to worry. You can actually play back and learn. It's not a problem. Okay. So a lot of people, Ashish has got it right. Everybody is getting it. Shaunak, Vinal, everybody is getting it right. Okay. Let's move on. Moving on to question number 5. Question number 5. 20-liter mixture of milk and water contains milk and water in the ratio of 3:2. 10 liters of mixture is removed and replaced with pure milk. The operation is repeated once more. At the end of 2 removals, the replacement, what is the ratio of the milk and water? Again, an easy sitter question. 3:2. So at the start, how much is water and milk? This is milk and this is water. Now they are saying 10 liters are removed. So 10 liters are removed means 6 milk and 4 water is removed. And how much is added? 10 liters of milk is added. So now it is 16 and it is what? 4. Now again 10 liters are removed means 8 liters of milk and 2 liters of water is removed. Again, how much is added? 10 liters of water is milk is added. So it is 18 and 2 that is left. So 18 is to 2 is milk is to water, or 9 is to 1. We have option B. Go ahead and mark option B. Okay. Vinal has got it right. Ashish has got it right. Everybody is getting it right. So we'll move on to next question. Okay, Shaunak. Okay, let me explain. So it's written 3:2. So 20-liter mixture. So obviously it's 12 is to 8. That is the water it will have, milk and water it will have. Okay, moving on to question number 6. In what ratio a person mix three kinds of wheat costing him 1.8, 1.44 and 1.74 per kg so that the mixture may worth 1.41 per kg? There are a lot of ways to do this question. Some people will say that okay, this is closer to this is closer to that. I'll give you a very simple method to solve these type of questions. Suppose it's x, y and z are the quantity. So 1 point, sorry. So x, y and z are the quantity. So 1.2x, 1.44y and 1.74z. This is equal to what? X plus y plus z whole into what? 1.41. So that is the cost price of total. Now solve this equation. So it will be what? 21x is equal to 3y plus 33z. So it is 7x is equal to y plus 11z. Now we have received this. Now it is given x is to y is to z. Put in whichever of these equation actually satisfied, whichever these values satisfy, give that option. Now I'll say that okay, again it is very tough to actually see whichever satisfied. So use simple number theory. So it is 45, 77. Suppose we are taking option D. So it's 45, 77. So what will be the unit digit of y? 5. Unit digit of this 11z will be 7 and unit digit here will be 7. Now can it ever come like this? No. So this option is not allowed. Similarly here 7, if 7 is used here z, so what will be the unit digit? 7. 77, so unit digit will be 7. So 7 plus 7, unit digit of RHS will be 4 and unit digit of LHS will be what? 7. So can that be equal? No. Again we can cross that option. Option B, 5, 25. So what will be the unit digit? 5. Here it is unit digit 5 and here unit digit is 8. So unit digit of RHS will be what? 3. So can that be option? No. So we have left with one option, C. We'll go ahead and mark option C. Has everybody followed this? If not, I can repeat once more. Okay. Everybody is clear with this equation. Okay, how we got this equation? Yes, I can see that option 6, yeah, the equation is correct, but option 6, I think there is a mistake. This should satisfy if it is 123 rather than 27 is to 23 is to 6. So it will be 27 is to 123 is to 6. Then it will satisfy. I think the options have been given wrong. So what was the basic logic that how can you use number theory in solving questions of mixtures and alligations? So the option they have given it wrong. It's not a problem. So if you understand the logic, you can solve all the questions. Everybody can hear me? Venal? Okay, got it. So this was the equation and we were using all these options to satisfy this equation. So we saw how we can use number theory to actually see that which option is satisfying. We can go ahead and mark option number C. Only there is a correction with option C. Option C, the value of y should be 123 rather than 23. So that's correct. Okay. Still somebody is not clear? Okay, let me repeat once again. So 1.2x plus 1.44y plus 1.74z is the cost price of individual wheat, and this is the total cost price of the mixture. So it should be equal. Okay, now we'll solve this equation. So we'll solve this equation how much? 1.41, this is 1.2, so 21x, 1.41y and 1.44y, so 3y, 1.41z and 1.74z, so 33z. So this should be equal, that means 7x should be equal to y plus 11z. And now we'll start putting in options. So we are putting option A. Option A, it's 11 is to 77 is to 7. So we'll put 11 here, 77 here, 7 here. Now we can see that 77 is here, so 7 is here, so unit digit will be 7 only. Here unit digit will be 7 only. Here unit digit will be 7. So 7 plus 7, so unit digit of RHS will be what? 4. And unit digit of LHS will be what? 7. Can that be equal? No. So we will cross this option. Option B, it's 25, 45 and 8. So again 25, so unit digit of LHS is 5, unit digit of RHS is 5 plus 8, that is 3. So can we have 5 is equal to 3? No, we cannot have that option. Similarly, option D, 11, 45 and 7. So unit digit of LHS will be 7, RHS will be 5 plus 7, that is 2. So can that be equal? No. Again we can cross that option. Only option C with a small correction, 27 is to 123 is to 6. So 3 plus 6, 123 plus 66. So unit digit will be what? 9. 27 into 7, unit digit will be 9. So only one option will satisfy this equation. Hope it is clear now. Okay, moving ahead. We have question number 7, 8 and 9. It's 8:45. I'll give you again 6 minutes to solve this question. I've put it in chat window, so let's review it at 8:52. Okay, time is up. So let's review the question. A lot of people are flowing with their answers. So let's see. How many liters of water should be added to 30-liter mixture of milk and water containing milk and water in the ratio of 7:3 such that the resultant mixture has 40% water in it? Again a sitter question. 30-liter mixture, 7:3, milk and water. Milk and water are 21 and 9. Resultant has 40% water in it. So 2 by 5 is the total water content, which is equal to what? 9 plus, let's say X is the quantity of water that needs to be added upon 30 plus X. Now solve this equation. So X 5X, 2X. So 3X is equal to 60, 45, 15. So X is equal to 5. We have option C. Go ahead and mark option C 5. Option C 5 liters. What? Ashish, Shashank, Veenal, everybody is getting it right. Deepika. Okay, moving ahead to next question. Question number 8. A sample of X liters from a container having 60-liter mixture of milk and water containing milk and water in the ratio of 2:3 is replaced with pure milk such that the container will have milk and water in equal proportion. See, 60-liter mixture, milk and water are now what? 24 and 36 milk and water currently. So it is written 2:3, that means 24 is milk, 36 is water. Now it is saying that it's replaced with pure milk. Suppose X. So it is replaced with pure milk. Now let's say it's not X, it's 5X. For ease of calculation I have taken 5X. So it is saying that it has removed 2x of milk because it will be 2:3, so 2x of milk. Now it has replaced it with 5x of milk. So how much milk is there? 24 plus 3x and 36 minus 3x. So that is what should be the water, because water has been replaced, but it has not been water has not been replaced, it has just taken out. Now these two should be equal. 24 plus 3x should be equal to 36 minus 3x, or 6x is equal to 60. X is equal to what? Sorry, there is a problem with the calculation. X should be equal to 2. X should be equal to 2. And what we have to create? 5x value we have to find out. It should be equal to 10, not x. Again, let me repeat this. Okay, 60 liter mixture, milk and water. So milk and water. So 24 is milk, 36 is water. So instead of x, let's take it 5x for ease of calculation. Okay. Now 5x is added milk, and how much was removed? Minus 2x and minus 3x. Only pure milk is added, so plus 5x. Now these two equations should be equal because it is showing that equal proportions of milk and water. So 24 minus 2x plus 5x is 24 minus 24 plus 3x, and 36 minus 3x here. So 36 minus 3x should be equal to 24 plus 3x. So 12 should be equal to 6x, or x should be equal to 2. And what we have said, sample is 5x. So 5x is 10. We have our option B. We go ahead and mark option B. Hope everybody is clear. If anybody wants me to repeat this question, I will do that. Okay. Okay, then I'll move ahead. So question number 9. A merchant mixes 3 varieties of rice costing 20, 24 and 30 and sells the mixture at a profit of 20% at rupees 30 per kg. How many kgs of second variety will be in mixture if 2 kg of third variety is in mixture? So what will be the cost price? Cost price will be 25 rupees per kg. Okay. Now it is saying how many kgs of second variety will be in the mixture if 2 kg of the third variety is there in the mixture. 2 kg of third variety. So 2. Let's say x, it is y. So 60 plus 24x plus 20y. Now it is equal to what? 2 plus x plus y into 25. That means 50 plus 25 x plus 25 y. It is 30 rupees per kg. It is selling at a profit of 20%. So what will be the cost price? 25 rupees. Now it is saying that how many kgs of second variety will be mixed if 2 kgs of third variety is in the mixture. So 2 kg of third variety. So it is 60 plus x into 24 plus y into 20. Now 25 kg, it should be equal to what? 25 into x plus y plus 2. So expand this, 25x plus 25y plus 50. So 10 is equal to x plus 5y. Now what we have options 1, 5, 3 and 6. Put in the options. We have to put option for x. If x is equal to 1, then can we have a value for y, integer value of y? No. If x is equal to 5, can we have value for y? Yes, value for y is 1. If x is equal to 3, can we have integer value for y? No. If x is equal to 6, can we have? No. So only this will be right. So we'll go ahead and mark option B. Okay, some of the people are not able to understand how 50 we are getting. Okay, let me repeat once again. Basic. It is 20 rupees kg, 24 rupees kg, 30 rupees kg. It is sold at a profit of 20% for 30 rupees kg. So cost price is what? 25 rupees per kg. So how did we get cost price? Let's say this is x, this quantity is y, and this has already been given how many kgs of second variety should be in the mixture if 2 kg of third variety. So it is given as 2. Okay. So total is what? 20y plus 24x plus 60 divided by y plus x plus 2. So this will be equal to the cost price of the mixture. Now move this to the here. So it becomes 20y plus 24x plus 60, which is equal to what? 25y plus 25x plus 50. Now this equation can be reduced to what? 10 is equal to 5y plus x. Yeah, so you can ask this question that why we are assuming it to be integer though it is not given it to be an integer. See, in these type of question we will assume it to be an integer because the options are like that. Options are like that. You have to assume it to be integer. Now only option B will satisfy this equation. See, this is a typical question of two variables and one equation. Now this can be solved only when you have some underlying stated fact that somebody is integer or someone is natural number or someone is like this. This can be solved only like this. Okay. So now solve this and we have only option B who will satisfy this equation. Okay, moving ahead. Question number 10, 11 and 12. So 10, 11 and 12. Again, I'll give you 4 minutes, 5 minutes to solve these questions. Okay, I've pasted it on chat window. You can take it from there. Okay, it's 9:08. So 9:13 we'll be reviewing these questions. There is a small correction. Question number 9, 10 and 11 are the same. So you have only two questions to solve. Okay, time is up, so let's review the question. Question number 10 and 11 are same, so I'll go ahead with question number 11 only. In what ratio must a person mix three kinds of tea costing 60, 75 and 100 so that the resultant mixture when sold at 96 per kg yields a profit of 20%? Same question we have done. 96 per kg yields a profit of 20%. That means cost price is what? 80. Now the ratio quantity may be X, Y, Z. It is X plus Y plus Z. So 80X plus 80Y plus 80Z is equal to 60X plus 75Y plus 100Z. Now solve this equation. What you will get? 4 into Z minus X is equal to Y. Now put in the values. Only this will satisfy. Z minus Y, Z minus X, 2 minus 1 into 4, which is equal to Y 4. So we'll go ahead and mark option number 3. Anybody has an issue? Okay, Shashank has got it right. Veenal has got it right. So, okay. Let's move ahead to the last question for the day. Question number 12. A can contains a mixture of two liquids A and B in the ratio of 7:5. When X liters of mixture is drawn off and the can is filled with B, the ratio of A is to B becomes 7:9. Okay. How many liters of liquid A was contained initially? Okay. Let it be 7x and 5x. So 9 liters is drawn. So how much is drawn from here? 9 into 7 by 12. How much is drawn from here? 9 into 5 by 12. Now what is saying is filled with B. So 9 is filled. So plus 9 plus 9. So what it become? 7x minus 63 by 12. And what it becomes? 7 by 12. So 5x minus 63 by 12, which is equal to 7 by 9. Now solve the equation for x. X will come out to be what? 3. So put this value. 7x is the initial quantity of A. So 7x is equal to what? 21. We'll go ahead and mark option B. 21. Hope everybody is clear on this. If not, I'll repeat once again. Okay. A and B. let it the quantity be 7x and 5x. Now 9 liter is removed. 9 liter is removed, so how much of A is removed? 9 liter will also have 7:5, means 7 by 12 of the total quantity. So minus 9 into 7 by 12. And how much B quantity it will have? Minus 9 into 5 by 12. Now it is saying that the whole is replaced by B. The can is filled with B. So can is filled with B means 9 liter is filled with B. So 9 liter what we have removed. So whole 9 liter of the mixture has been removed and 9 liter of B has been put in the can. So 9 liter of B has been, so plus 9 is there. Hope everybody understood this. Okay. Now A initially was 7x, B was 5x, 9 into 7 by 12 was removed. So now A is what? 7x minus 9 into 7 by 12 means 63 by 12. And B is 5x minus 9 into 5 by 12 plus 9. So 5x minus 63 by 12. Now the new equation becomes 7:9. So it should equate 7 by 9. Okay. So 9 minus 9 into 5 by 12. How much it will be? Put 9 out. 1 minus 5 by 12. Okay, there's a problem. It should be plus. It should not be minus. That's it. Still anybody has a problem? Mank? Venal? Yeah, Mank, Venal, anybody has a problem? Okay, everybody got it? Okay. Solve this. X will come out to be 3. So put that in 7x. So 21 liters that will be. Okay guys, that will end today's session. This will be available on the website also. The recording, whole recording will be available on the website as well. So that's it for the day. Good night and Happy New Year. Bye bye.